Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, but look, CoinsKid creates. So right now you can see Bitcoin. You know, we've got the loss of this 20 just there, and we're coming down. Okay, and right now you can see the curl on the 20 is coming down. This 55 is tightening up, so it looks as if you're going to get caught between the both at the minute. Okay, so I do think, you know, historically, whenever Bitcoin's closed below that 20, you do head on down to the 55, and that can't be ignored. Okay, and it looks like history is about to repeat for Bitcoin, but it's the question: is it going to do this? Or is it going to do this, okay, where it starts to fizzle out like that and then capitulates down to it eventually, okay? Now, one thing I don't want to see for Bitcoin is lose this 55, because like I've said to you so many times, if Bitcoin starts to turn that into resistance, that's something Bitcoin's never done, and we need to pay attention to that, because that's a very, very negative statement from Bitcoin, that potentially you roll into a multi-year bear market just there at this point, okay, for Bitcoin. So we do need to keep an eye on that. If we do start to see the loss of the 55 consistently turn into resistance, that's very negative. Now, one thing that I'm looking for here before I get really excited about a potential impulsive move, okay, and like I said to you, those that pick bottoms get smelly fingers, so I'm trying to find a low for you. At the minute, I think that the 55 is your target, because obviously you've lost the 20 and you're coming down. Now, a rug pull down would be amazing, okay, if we can just come down there and bottom out on that, I do think that that's your low and you're coming up, okay, and you know, we create that foundation, that structure to start to come back up the stairs. So one thing we don't want to see is this prolonged sort of progression like this, fizzle out and capitulate down, okay? We want this quick rug pull down, and then we're going to start to come back up, okay? Pretty much like this, come down, rug pull down, and then come back up, okay? And look at the fear there. Imagine being able to go back down to these events where the 55's on that line there, okay, and that level of support, boom, buying that, buying the blood, buying the fear. If we can get down there, amazing, and hold support, amazing, okay? So that's a bit of an update on the monthly time frame, okay? I'm working at my mum's at the moment, so I'm really busy. I'm trying to get the updates out to you as best as I can. I'll get back to the regular updates soon, but I'm doing the kitchen and all sorts of bits and bobs at the house at the moment. One thing I want to show you, until you see this, don't get overly bullish, and I've gone through this with you before. If you're looking for a fantastic signal from Bitcoin, okay, just wait for this. I'm going to show you. This is a really key signal that you want to look for. So on the 5-day Gaussian, wait for Bitcoin to get back above the median line, okay, of the Gaussian after turning red. Whenever it gets back above that median line, that's an extremely bullish statement from Bitcoin. It only ever does it in a bull market. Do you understand what I'm saying? So right now you're in a massive correction. Obviously you're coming down, you're losing support, you're falling through support. You held the support last year, but if you do start to lose that, you've got your key support of the 55 EMA, and you can see that, like we said to you, when you fall out the Gaussian, you do capitulate. Look down here, capitulate, down here, capitulate. Now, you know, you are looking like you're about to capitulate. It looks like it's on the edge of a cliff here, holding this support, and if it does roll, your 55 EMA is key support, okay? And at that point, you know, you wick down, look at the wick, start to come back upstairs, amazing, correction's over and done with. But one thing that would be an extremely bullish statement from Bitcoin, okay, get back above the median line of the Gaussian channel on the 5-day. If you start to get back above that, that could be an amazing entry point. If you're sort of sitting in the wings and you don't necessarily want to catch a falling knife or try and time the bottom, because obviously those that pick bottoms get smelly fingers, but if you do start to see Bitcoin get back above this median line on the 5-day Gaussian, wow, you could be in for fireworks. But anyway, that's a quick update on Bitcoin today, okay? You've got your support levels. I'll be back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.